Hey guys, welcome back, and we're at it again. So I'm gonna get right to it, flip this around, show you what we got, what we're working on, all of that good stuff, and we'll get into it. Now, I do want to do something a little quick here. I'm gonna submit this first video because I want in your guys' comments to go through and tell me what you want me to spend a little bit more time showing you what to do. Now that means I need comments and views ASAP, because as soon as I start on this thing, it's only going to be about 2 hours before I get the cab up, and by then I need to know what you guys want to see. So hold on a sec, I'll show you what we got. So we have an AEV truck here. We got a 21 with 82,000 miles. This truck came all the way from California for us to get started on this bulletproofing. Now what we have is a Banks Monster Ram, Banks boost tube, sorry. We've got the ARP head studs, new air filter of course, the Intane diesel oil filter bypass, the bulletproof diesel EGR cooler, the fleece coolant bypass, the fleece cheetah, ATS thermal bypass, and then we've also got the fleece fuel filter delete. We've got a pair of Optima batteries going in here, and we have a FAS 165 series. I do not like the no drops. I prefer to drop the tank just so that we don't have any leaks across the bottom. And again, beautiful truck. If you guys remember, not too long ago, this one came from back east where he bought it, developed a tick, and on his way through he stopped and had me take a look at it, found a couple rocker arms and push rods that were worn out. Now we're going back into this thing and doing the full bulletproof. We've also got a Hamilton cam up here that came a few days ago because this is out of California. They can't ship it into California, so he shipped it into us here, and there we go. Now again, I'm going to go ahead and post this video really quickly, and I want to hear from you guys what you want to see the most of while doing this job. So got about 2 hours till the cab's up in the air. Hit me up.